Hello, and thank you so much for purchasing my weight loss tracker. So this is how it works. You would put in your starting date in today, so you double click this in here, and you can choose whatever date this is. You can choose a drop down, male or female. You can edit this and add anything else that you need. Your starting weight, so say you're starting out with 190 pounds. Your current weight is going to calculate for you automatically, so you don't have to touch this. This will actually calculate once you start putting in this information in here. You're going to enter in your height in inches, and it will calculate your BMI for you. Your monthly goal weight, you can change this if you want. You know, if you want to be at 180 or 170, whatever your yearly goal weight is. Your target weight, that's the weight that is your absolute, like, that's your main goal. So if you want to be at, 140 pounds, that's your main goal. Your current weight, again, will automatically calculate based on this data here. It'll calculate your total loss for you automatically and how many pounds you have left to lose. It'll show your weight loss progress and how long it's taken you. So as you go along, it will show your progress. And it will also calculate how many pounds you have left to lose as you go here. And this will all change as well. So that's how you use the weight loss tracker. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.